Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 26 developer beta not showing on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to install iOS 26 developer beta, and you will see the problem that iOS 26 not showing in your iPhone. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you fix this problem. So you can easily fix this problem. First of all, you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to click on general and click on software update. And as you will see, here is the option of beta updates. You need to enable beta updates or developer beta from here. If these beta updates not showing on your iPhone, then you need to go back and you need to download Apple developer app from App Store, and after downloading it you need to open it, and now you need to click on account, and after this you need to sign in with your Apple ID. As you will see, I am going to sign in from here, and after signing in you will see beta updates option in your software update tab. And guys, after this you can easily update your iPhone to iOS 26 developer beta. And guys, if this method is not working for you, then no need to worry, you have to open Safari or any other Google Chrome. So after this you need to search here betaprofiles.dev, and now you have to wait, scroll it down, and from here you need to click on developer. And after launching iOS 26 beta profile, you will see here, and after showing iOS 26 beta profile you need to click on install that profile and click on install. And after that you need to click on allow, and after this that profile will be downloaded in your settings. So simply you have to open your settings again, and here you can see profile downloaded. Click on it, and here is the option of install. So guys, simply you can download iOS 26 beta profile directly from website, and your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.